Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jack and this is my happy place. I'm so excited that you're here with me today. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm so happy to have you here for today's Dollar Tree haul. If you like my channel and you like this type of content, please like and subscribe down below. Also in the description box, I have a link for my Instagram. If you want to check that out, I'll also put the handle right here. I do pick up things throughout the week at the Dollar Tree, and I might not necessarily buy everything that I see, even though I do find great name brand items. So I do post them on my Instagram so you guys can still see some of the awesome finds that are out there, but I might not necessarily purchase. So definitely check that out as well. Guys, let's get right into this haul today. I do have a lot this week for you, so let's just get started. Okay, so one thing that I actually did want to talk about before I get started was that I know my last video, it ended up freezing at the end. So first of all, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone out there who did comment and let me know. I'm sorry I had some technical difficulties with that. I'm still trying to learn the ropes of all this technology and video editing and stuff like that. So I'm sorry about that, guys, but thank you if you're still coming back after that little mishap. I know for some of you are mentioning that you weren't able to see the jackpot item from last week. So I still do want to let you know what that is. I already opened it. It's out of the package. But I did find these, which is a travel scissor. So what you do is you open it like this. You just pull it apart. Oh, I didn't do it all the way. And like this, and then you have a little travel scissor. I was telling you guys about how I love to take scissors with me when we travel, because I usually use like the door hanger, the shoe hangers for the door, and I put those with all of our toiletries in them, and I usually use like zip ties to hang them in the closet or something, and then I always bring scissors so I can cut it down when we leave. So these are great, and they're like very safe. You just put them away. I'm still cautious because I don't want to cut myself, but this is an awesome find. So that was my jackpot item. Thank you again to everyone who let me know, and I am sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna try to work hard to make sure that doesn't happen again, but bear with me as I'm learning everything. Okay, now let's get into the haul today. So the first thing, this is kind of like a mixed mash of stuff. I am gonna have like a huge Dollar Tree haul for my next one. It's gonna be really big, so let me just get through some of these items that I did find that were still really awesome. So I'll do some of the fall newer seasonal decor first. The first thing that I picked up were these 3-pack of Decor brooms, and this does say it's by Crafter's Square. I didn't find it in the Crafter's Square section. It was like at the front with the seasonal stuff. And I just thought these were really cute I'm gonna open it to put on my fireplace or something. I don't know yet, but you can even put these like on a wreath or something. And they do have a little black bow that you could always just take off and put something else on. They did have this in purple and orange as well. I just got the black one because it just fits in with my decor better. So I thought that was a really cute decoration piece for $1. You get 3 of them. Okay, the next thing that I picked up was this yard sign for my front steps, and this says family, friends, and football, which is a like anthem in our house during this time of year. So I thought this was really cute and fun with football gonna be starting back up and everything like that. So fingers crossed. But that is what I did pick up, and this is, I mean, a pretty big sign. I mean, not super tall, maybe like 2 feet. But I was actually thinking of putting it in the plant that I have on my front step. So very cute. The next seasonal decor that I picked up was this door hanger, and it is for Day of the Dead. And it has all the different like skull heads on it. I loved this. I thought this was super fun. One of my favorite Disney movies is Coco, actually. So I was thinking that my Halloween decor / like early November could kind of be themed towards this. And the colors are so fun. Like, I love it. So I did pick this up. I'm excited for some of the stuff that I did see that is gonna start to be coming out for this holiday. So I am gonna keep my eyes open for that as well. That's all I have for that stuff today. There's more coming tomorrow, or like when my next yeah, I'll probably do it tomorrow, but maybe the next day, we'll see. But it's coming. So why don't we go into some beauty products? So like health. So one of the things that I did find were these nasal strips. So guys, I have a deviated septum and I like snore and I am like, I don't know, there's a lot of issues going on with my sinuses. So I thought, I used to use these when I was a little kid actually, the nasal strips, and it says multi-lift technology, opens your nose completely to relieve nasal congestion due to colds and allergies, may help reduce snoring. So I did used to use these all the time as a kid. I kind of forgot about them and then I saw them at the Dollar Tree. So I was like, oh, I'll try them again and see what I think. So I did pick these up. There's 6 of them in here. Then the next thing that I picked up in this department was these mascara wands. So I wanted to go ahead and give these a try. I know I've talked to you guys before about like my mascara habits. I'm a little particular about it. So I don't know. I just thought I would give these a try and see what I thought. I do like the different kinds of brushes that are in there. So I feel like it doesn't really matter the mascara I use. It's more about the brush. So I'm definitely excited to try these out and see what I think about that. I did find more of these. And in my next video, I found the concealer one. But I was able to find the rest of them. So these are the new makeup brushes. There is a powder brush, eyeshadow brush, angled contour brush, and blush brush. So I don't know if there's more than this, but these were the ones that I found. And guys, these are super pretty. I really like these. And they're super soft. So I picked these up. Okay, last thing from that department is I got these Assured 3-in-1 cotton sets, and it's 10 cotton pads, 70 cotton swabs, and 10 cotton balls, and they come in this container. So they also had it, I got the other colors too, just to show you guys that they had like different colors. I think they had green too. And that's what that looks like. I did not get these to like, I actually hate Dollar Tree cotton swabs. I don't like them. I don't think they work as good as Q-tips. I'm sure the pads are fine to like wipe your face with like a water or something. But I got these because I figured I could take, like when these are all done, or like take these out and put them in a different container. I'm gonna try to open this. I think there's tape on it. But I like the compartments of it because I am trying to reorganize like my makeup storage and my makeup drawer. Yeah, there we go. So it does have 3 different compartments in it, and I did really like that because I wanted to like try to stick my lipstick straight up, or like my mascaras or pencils or whatever. So this is 3 compartments. I can even just take this flap off and use it for that. So that's why I really liked this. Another thing that you could do with this too is you could empty it out and use it as like a first aid in your car, or even for like crayons or something like that. So there's definitely tons of stuff you could do with this. That's why I got 3 of them. It was more for the container than the actual things inside. So a little tip or a way to be creative with Dollar Tree products and use them for more than what they were just intended for. All right, the next thing that I picked up is this LED 2-in-1 flashlight. It's a convenient clip and kickstand flashlight and spotlight functions. So this is what that is, and it shows the different ways you can use it right on there. I did pick this up. I think it takes batteries. Yeah, it takes batteries that are not included. It's 3AA. And the reason why I picked this up is because we did just have a storm last week, and a lot of our town lost power. I think we were actually like one of the only streets in our town that didn't lose power. So we had a full house. We had brothers, sisters, family members, like everyone was here. It was fun, but I figured just in case next time we're not so lucky, at least we have some backup lighting. So I did pick one of these up. They only had a couple, so I didn't want to like take them all, but I probably will get like another one. If I see it again, I'll just grab one more just so we have it on hand. So I thought that was a great find for $1. But also remember, if you buy stuff like that, make sure you put the batteries in, because it's not going to do you any good if you're in the dark and you don't have batteries in it. Next, I picked up just like a couple quick things that aren't that exciting, and then I'll do the last couple. So I picked up this Kraft Classic Ranch. I did get this before. It's just 8 ounces. We don't use the ranch that much, but like when we do, it's better to just get at the Dollar Tree when they have name brand than put it on your grocery list. So I did just pick up one more of those. I also picked up this cake server set. I don't know what this is by. It's just like a Greenbrier product, but it comes with like the square one and then the tip, the triangle one. So I just got these because my store doesn't always have them. So when I see them, I like to pick them up, because when we do birthdays at this house, we normally wrap up the tablecloth and throw everything away. So we like to keep everything disposable. So, and guys, these can go in the dishwasher if you put them on the top rack. So if you want to. If not, like, you could just use it one time. But you can get like at least a couple uses out of these if you put them in the dishwasher. I mean, you could wash them by hand too, but we're lazy around here, so we don't do that. But definitely a good find for $1. I love those, and when I see it, I always like pick one up just because they don't always have them. One other thing I also did pick up by Floral Gardens were these chalkboard wood stakes. So you can see how they use it in the picture as like a table number. You could also put like 2 from whatever on here. I was thinking about labeling plants with this, so that's why I picked these up. And you get 4 in here for $1. Guys, next thing I got is some new toys. So these are by Chevrolet, these toys. And I know I say it like every video, but now is the time to buy toys when you see them name brand. Buy them for your kids, buy them for your nieces and nephews as stocking stuffers, as, you know, little gifts, birthday gifts, things to surprise them with on road trips, when you're trying to keep the kids entertained at the market, whatever. I always like to let you guys know too, I do pick up a lot of toys throughout the year. I keep a tote bin in my basement, and Andrew and I donate toys at the end of the year, either if it's for the shoe boxes that my church does, or you know, throughout the community. We like to try to donate toys this time of year. Especially this year is going to be a hard one for a lot of people due to the pandemic, so anything that you can do can always help. So I found these, and I thought they were a great addition to my toy collection I have going to be donated. So this is a Chevy truck panel. Oh, sorry, Chevy panel truck and a Chevy Colorado pre-runner. So these 2 toys here, they're 4x4s, and it shows the instructions on the back. So you like wind it up or something and then let it go, and it like shoots it out and it goes fast. So stuff like this can definitely keep kids entertained for like hours. So I thought this was really cute. They only had a blue and a red truck, and these are by GM. And oh, these are Greenbrier products. Wow. Yeah, see? Crazy. Very cool. Good find for $1. Last thing, and it is my jackpot item, is I found disinfectant spray, guys. So I have not been able to find Lysol disinfectant spray anywhere. I'm lucky I have a family member, actually a couple family members that work for CVS. So usually like we're able to get stuff, like at least they can grab one if we really need it. But even that is like so limited right now. So we haven't been able to get disinfectant spray in a very long time. So I was really excited. I don't know this brand. It's Home Bright, but this is a 6 ounce spray bottle, and I figured like a brand I don't know is better than none at all. So I'm excited that we were able to get this, and it says it kills 99.9% of germs, and it says sanitizing in 10 minutes, and there is like a little asterisk underneath, but I'm not really gonna read it all right now. But here's the brand if you guys are interested in that. I did find these recently, so I was able to grab one of these. They did have a limit of 1 per person on these, but I think the limits kind of varied by store. So I think some stores let you do more, some don't. Like some don't care. It's kind of like whatever happens at your store, you gotta respect the rules there. So that is it, guys. This is my jackpot item. Great find for $1. And guys, I have a lot of Dollar Tree hauls coming this week, so make sure that you stay tuned. Please check out my Instagram. I'll put the link right here. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, and subscribe down below. I'm so happy that you guys are here with me, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. Bye, guys.